Why do they have to change the name? Against Mahatma Gandhi, freedom to us, a doubt going on. They don't want anything to be done in the Congress BJP agenda, Hindutva agenda. Is he a bigger person than Mahatma Gandhi ji? We have to make a try, no? May ask a question against the central government, even for the poor, change the percentage of the revenue. Then where will the employment generation happen? Governor's Act was also not convincible.
Hi, hello, namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Right now, I'm standing at the Freedom Park where this Raj Bhavan Chalo Morcha was happening. And with me is Miss Pallavi, who is the Bangalore District Mahila Congress President. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to KTV India. First of all, thank you for sparing time with me. Ma'am, right now, this Raj Bhavan Chalo March is a non-violent march, as DK Shivakumar mentioned it several times since yesterday he was mentioning it. But ma'am, the whole point is VBG Ramji. The name placement of Manrega is happening with VBG Ramji 2025. It's just the name change, I believe. It's just the name change. But what is the point for bringing back the name again? And this whole march is for that only. What do you have to say about that?
Ma'am, basically we are worried that why do they have to change the name? First point is, why are they against Mahatma Gandhiji's policies, principles? He is the father of our nation. He brought freedom to us. Then why is there any other person who is more eligible than him to keep a name of him for a particular scheme? That is the doubt which is going on in everybody's mind. See, whatever it may be, they shouldn't have changed the name. If they would have brought new policies and principles for that particular act, let the name be the same. They can go with the policies and principles. But why do they have to change the name? See, this BJP government is doing since from past. Whenever the BJP government is in the central, they are doing the same thing. They don't want any political all these what to say, all these acts and this thing, they don't want anything to be done in the Congress name itself. Whatever they do, they have to be done. They have to do only with the BJP agenda, and they have to be done only with the Hindutva agenda. They don't want any national freedom fighters name. They don't want. What is this G Ramji's contribution to the country's independence? What he has done for the country? Is he a bigger person than Mahatma Gandhi ji? That is the question which is rising in everybody's mind.
Ma'am, also Karnataka is only doing this initially. This is the first thing against the name change, ma'am. Do you think a state government can actually help out bringing back the name, pushing out the central government?
Ma'am, instead of sitting idle, we have to make a try, no? At least, yes, I agree. Karnataka is the first state which is doing this. But when we start, the other states also will start doing, may ask a question against the central government why this name has been changed. See, this Manrega was actually implemented in the rural areas. It was actually given for the poor and low income group people. Okay, the concept is there, but now they have changed the percentage of the revenue what they were giving. Earlier it was 100% revenue was given by the central government itself. Now they are making it as 60 to 40%. 40% from the state government and 60% they have to give it from the central government. If this happens, then where will the employment generation happens in the rural areas? Then the state government will stop generating the employments for the poor people. Why they have to give more funds for the Manrega scheme? They'll think that, and then ultimately poor peoples are poor peoples are left out by this scheme and acts, no ma'am, whatever they are giving.
Ma'am, one more thing. This was also about the governor just speaking reading two lines in the assembly and then moving out from the assembly. Is this also the reason behind this morcha, or is solely Congress's concern regarding the state?
No, actually the main motive was regarding the name change of Manrega. Then even the Governor's Act was also not convincible. Why he has to do like that? Governor is not aligned to any single party. He is neutral. He has to be neutral. But I don't know what happened to our state governor to act like that in the Vidhan Sauda. And I think he is favor for the central BJP government. So he would have not read those two lines in the speech.
So that was Pallavi, the Bangalore District Mahila Congress President, with us on KTV India. This is me, Varsha Venugopal, with camera person Kirtan Reddy.